What zip code to use for vanilla gift card, how to find zip code. So if you've been wondering what is the zip code that you have to enter for your vanilla gift card, right? So maybe you bought a vanilla gift card, you're trying to redeem it on a shopping website or anywhere else. The important thing to understand is that a vanilla gift card itself does not display a zip code, as gift cards typically don't store personal details like that. Now, in case you want to use a vanilla gift card online, and however, if it does ask you for a zip code, then in that case, you would need to enter your own billing zip code when prompted, or the zip code associated with your shipping address if you are purchasing something online. So that is the distinctive thing you have to understand. A vanilla gift card itself does not have a zip code. In case that it asks you to enter a zip code, maybe when you're using on a shopping website, you can enter the shipping info zip code or your billing address's zip code. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.